Hello, everyone. This is in continuation to various theoretical topics what we were discussing in operations management. This one is about process layout selection. Uh, Process layout selection is about arranging facilities like equipment, materials, people, and workstations so that it will boost the production efficiency. It will reduce unnecessary movements and transportation. We will be able to handle materials efficiently. We will be able to design and organize the workstations effectively. We will also be able to identify and remove bottlenecks, if any, and it will help us to use the space wisely. And the ultimate objective is to provide value-added products and services to customers, minimize waste and optimize operational costs and resource utilization. These are the two main objectives. It is like to think about arranging our workspace to work smarter and not harder. That is the ultimatum. There are four types of layout in manufacturing. One is process layouts. That is groups, similar machines and services together in this process layout and suitable for low volume, high variety products. Then in product layout, it is about organizing facilities based on the production sequence, suitable for high volume continuous production with low customization. Group layout is about combining process and product layout suitable for cellular manufacturing, which will minimize transportation and material handling costs. And the fixed position or project layout is about main facilities remain fixed while materials, people, and workstations move as needed, suitable for highly customized products. Now we will see in detail each one. First is process layout or functional layout. It organizes the workstations such that similar type of machines and services are located together. Hence, each sub-facility is specialized in performing a particular activity of the whole conversion process, suitable for low volume, high variety products, that is job shop type of production in batches or batch production and other non-repetitive processes. For example, furnitures and restaurants, they generally go for this functional layout or process layout. Next is your product layout or line layout. In this type of layout, the facility is organized as per logical sequential flow of the activities performed to produce the products. This type of layout is used for high volume and continuous production where level of customization is low. Examples are assembly lines or mass production in consumer electronics or automobile sectors, etc. They use this product layout. Group combination layout, which is combining the features of both the previously mentioned process and product layout. In this layout, the individual processes are replicated at multiple cells, wherein each cell is equipped with all the facilities to complete the corresponding process. Means each cell will act like a process, as like a product layout. This type of layout is suitable for cellular manufacturing that minimizes the cost of transportation and material handling. Then your fixed position layout, examples are aircraft and ships. Here we are seeing a shipbuilding yard. In this type of layout, main facilities are fixed at specified locations, while the materials, people, and workstations move as per the requirements to those locations. This type of layout is of single use and suitable for highly customized products. The examples already we saw. That's about your fixed position layout.